Making room for some more jumps. Here's a little bit of before footage. Yeah, that's all just grass, and then one little baby jump here. I don't know, what is that, 10 feet? Okay, we're out here at the dirt bike track, getting the bikes ready, pumping up the tires and stuff. Our brother Rob is already out there with the bulldozer starting to get stuff going, but we're out here getting the bikes ready. I just hit this one a few times to hit the face here and then land down in the pit here. I was doing probably 45 or 50 miles an hour. Pretty fun little jump. What's up?
I can't catch them anymore.
Oh, yeah, they're pretty fast. Are you walking the track? All right.
Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me where I'm at right now?
I don't know. Uh-oh, he's got some kind of contraption here. Maker Brothers makes things. Oh yeah. 212 cc's.